so high up. Still in red. Okay, guys, I'm going to be I don't know what I'm going to do today, guys, but I'm going to show you. I'm just kidding. I don't even have kinetic sand. I don't know why, but I always want to sand. NFL football. I remember that time that we were playing football. I won the teddy bear 14-7. He wishes me that he can beat this football. Yeah. Okay. Let's go play. Okay, guys. Let's just go. Run out. This is what time it is right now for me, guys. Can you see it? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. This says Builder Zone. So, and this is a Toyota, actually, guys. So, if you never noticed, this is I'm gonna be debating 1 minute and 16 seconds. Yeah. Okay, guys. Wait. Take it easy now. Rain has stolen. Watch this, guys. Hang on. I'm just kidding. Guys, please subscribe. Did you know? No, wait. Yeah, did you know that I got these? I'm gonna shoot you with the gun. I'm just kidding. So, guys, I'm gonna show you today that I'm playing with my fidget spinners. I got way more, and I got 11. I'm gonna bring them out, okay? Wait there. Just a sec. Okay, guys, I got all my fidget spinners out. As you can see, there's all these. I got 9. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a 10. Okay, first one I'm gonna show you. This one that I new got. Okay, it's this one. It's Rainbow Metal. These are really stress relief. And please subscribe for this video. 10,000 likes, guys. Okay, barely got 2 views again, I guess. And yeah, it says the date right here. That's the first one. You can see. Give it a little spin. Yeah, it's right there, guys. So I got this one. My LED. Really cool. And you can change them. Do this one. That was nice though. I like this one better. This one. And I guess that's all, guys. And we're gonna do this one. Lamborghini fidget spinner. 2-sided too, guys. This one spins really good too. We got this one. It's like a ghost. This one spins a lot. And my bullet crime. And this one. Got this one just to spin out my pen, I guess. But I don't guess I don't got the pen. Got this one. It's a red bearing. And like black. This one's a ghost with it's a ninja fidget spinner. It's green, black bearings. We both got this one. And the same thing as this one, guys, but I got 2 of these. So this one spins a bit, faster than this one. Like, I got all my Hot Wheels here. I'm gonna show you all my Hot Wheels and this, okay, guys? I'm gonna just like put them right here and like be good, like just like kind of wait for a little and then. Like, okay, guys. So I got these. Okay, I got this one. Kind of cool. Looks nice. I got a Dodge car. It looks really cool. I like these kind of Hot Wheels, as you can see. It's green with fire symbols. A Tokyo. It's the back thing, like a Nissan thing that I have right here. And a truck. A Corvette. A Dusty. This is not even a Hot Wheel, guys. This thing is, yep, as you can see down here, it says Hot Wheels. Yeah. And this one's not a Hot Wheel, guys. This one's just like a normal little car. This one is a Hot Wheels. See, look at this one. Kind of look nice. And the theme. A cop. Okay. And this one. So I'm going to give you a good look to see all the fidget spinners I have for today. Okay. These are all the fidget spinners I have. All of them. And these are really, really cool. This one, that 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 one, this one. So, bye-bye, guys. I hope you subscribe and